41 I have given, thinking that if at all any new admission is there, that number also you can, yeah. So now 40 is the strength, right?
Ma'am,
Each-
had you said the form in 11th B?
11th same form is not taking,
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am. Ma'am, it is taking, ma'am.
it's taking, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, where it is?
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, where's the admission? I mean,
The same link that ma'am provided last day.
Ma'am, the Gmail, we have to write the Gmail given by the school, no, ma'am?
No problem. Any email account where we can communicate later also. Any email account, okay? Gmail account, preferably your Gmail account.
Done, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, in
6
the previous one, we have to fill up.
yes, ma'am.
How can we get emotes in course, ma'am?
Which one?
Ma'am, emotes.
Emoji. You want emoji?
I'm
But
not emoji, ma'am. Emotes.
16 people have responded as of now.
My students are not in uniform.
Yeah, from see last week, in the previous class, who is that 11th B? Sachin only, na? Sachin, MS Sachin Singh Shikarwar. So you belong to 11th B, no dear, but you entered 11th C, no, last class. Okay, on 19th was my class, day before yesterday. Sachin Singh Shikarwar, he mentioned 11th C. So I was searching who is this Sachin 11th C like that. Okay, later on I changed it. Now 27 people have responded. Quickly give your attendance.
Ma'am, not able to access anything.
Why?
Like I can open. Sorry.
Not able to access anything. Who? Aditya Kashyap.
Ma'am, Aditya. Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Kashyap. Not able to access anything means have you logged into your Teams? In the
Yes,
Teams
ma'am.
where I have shared link below, one
Yeah.
more link I have shared, no? That you are not.
Yeah, but the link is opening, but I'm not able to, touch anything.
Where you have shared, ma'am? I did not get.
Wait, I will show you here.
the
Otherwise-
previous link
Yeah, previous link, if it is opening, that
on
only.
Wednesday.
Good morning, ma'am. Attendance submitted, ma'am.
Wait, I am sharing. Okay.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done, na? Very good. So you can see, no, in the Teams itself. See in 11th C computer science, you can see, no? Yeah. Here you can see the form, attendance form, 11th computer science attendance form. Or the previous link, whatever I have shared on 19th. That also you can use. Same thing only. Okay. Responses will be recorded in the same sheet. Okay. Don't worry. Even in the 11th B also I shared. See 11th B. You all can see, no? 11th B also I shared. In computer science.
Ma'am, we can use any email ID.
Any email ID. Your Gmail ID preferably.
Okay, Roger that.
Yeah. See, you can see, no? The same thing. Okay. So now let me check how many people answered. 36 people only answered. $37.
Ma'am, where is the sheet, ma'am? I mean form.
See, here is the sheet. 11th B also form is there, and 11th C also form is there. You can see, no? Can you say, see, child, in computer science? 11th C computer science also?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good.
Ma'am, can you wait for a
Ma'am,
minute?
is that the previous form?
Yeah, previous form, fine. Click on that and just give your response.
Thank you, ma'am.
Forty-two people have responded. You can see your attendance I have already.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
we should do from the form you have given yesterday.
Do no problem. The same thing only, same link only. Okay. Little changes I've done. See, so many people have already responded. Okay.
Ma'am, still not working for me.
Still not working. Then you try this link, dear. Kashyap. Aditya Kashyap.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
link no, in the post.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. That only I'm using, but still.
Not opening. So then try the previous
It's
one.
opening, but I can't enter anything.
Okay, you are using your mobile.
No, ma'am. Laptop.
Laptop. Just log in with your Gmail account or something, no?
I'm already logged in, I think.
Refresh that page.
Yeah, I am.
It works on phone, ma'am.
Everywhere it will work here. Even
Okay, ma'am. Working. It's working now.
It's working.
Done, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, then we'll start. So 11:10 I'll start. Okay, children. 11:10
Ma'am,
I'll
not
start.
yet all have joined, ma'am.
Sorry?
Not yet all have joined, ma'am. Ma'am, will we have quiz today also?
Yes, yes. We will have at the end of the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, very good. 71 people are there. So some of you nicely dressed up in uniform. That's the spirit, children. When you attend class, no. So the way you dress up also very it matters a lot. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we start, ma'am?
Okay, children, shall we start? So now it is 11:10. Yeah, quickly
1
we.
minute, ma'am.
Can you see my screen? I'll be.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
No, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा आपका नेटवर्क स्पीड
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
this paper depicts in this, ma'am.
sorry.
Just, ma'am, what will teach today, ma'am? What will teach today, ma'am?
I didn't get you. It is not clear. See, we will be having this lesson today, basic computer organization, and at the end we'll have one Kahoot also, and I'll give you notes also so that you can complete your notes as well. Okay, children. So there will be no.
This is the first chapter, ma'am.
First chapter, dear.
Ma'am, you have given some work also, na?
Yes.
So what should we do?
That is, yeah. One
Ma'am, we have to first write our notes or ma'am notes?
Wait, I'll tell you. See, that was actually evaluation we discussed. No, that is for our knowledge purpose. Okay, you should be aware of, right? Who has invented computer? Who is
Ma'am,
actually?
so should we write it?
Which?
Ma'am, you have given a homework. No.
Yeah, it's the same classwork homework only. You will be writing. First, you will write the syllabus. Syllabus last week I have given you, na? I have
Yes,
uploaded
ma'am,
on
written.
from the CBSE website. So first you write the syllabus. First in the index page, all of you open your classwork and first in the index page write down syllabus. Okay, that is the first index. Next write down basic computer organization. ओके सो सिलेबस का आप पेज नंबर लिखिए और डेट लिखिए सिलेबस कब डिस्कस किया 19th August 2020 have you all done children next basic computer organization
Ma'am, where's the syllabus, ma'am?
syllabus you write in the index first index of your notebook is syllabus have you written
Where's the syllabus, ma'am?
who is asking last week last class you
class.
I have uploaded also in your teams also na dear okay see here only I'll be writing index आपका index कैसे होता है first is serial number होता है ना so in the serial number 1 okay you write down syllabus okay so and which page number you have to write no this is the topic and then here you will write the page number right from which page to which page so you write down the page number this write down the page number so which page first page or second page you started okay one page you must have left no and from there start the page numbering also right next one is today's what is that basic computer organization okay this we discussed we started on, so this
Ma'am, before that you said that some computer fundamentals you should write that the discovery and all.
उसी को ब्रैकेट में डाल दे बेसिक कंप्यूटर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन so this is the same chapter okay 19th August 20 we started and today is yeah this is continued from there only 19th August 2020 okay next page से शुरू किया था ना this is your index got it children is it clear to everyone now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes so when you're not speaking kindly mute yourself classwork or homework both at home only you are doing right so classwork or homework same thing only so this is the format we are following this is clear children this much okay
Yes,
Ma'am, will you send the notes or we have to
Ma'am.
make our own?
I'll be sharing notes through Teams that you will be writing. Okay. Otherwise, see now itself, whatever I'm showing, you can make a note of it. Got it, children? Okay. So, chapter 1, basic computer organization. We discussed syllabus. First, write down the syllabus. I hope you all have written because 19th itself I have shared that, uploaded that PDF. You see, I will show you in the Teams, no? See, I've uploaded, na? You can see Teams, 11th computer science. Go to files, you can see directly in the files. In both classes, I have uploaded. computer science Python book also, old book that was available from the CBSE website also uploaded. Revised computer science senior secondary. This is the syllabus. Got it, children? So from here you copy that syllabus into your classwork. Okay.
And we have to write that table only, no?
Yes. So last week from this book, I discussed only what are that evaluation of computer and who invented what, like that I have discussed it. So that much you make one Excel sheet I have asked you. Now let us proceed. Okay, now our main focus is from this whatever topic today I am teaching. Okay, because that portion, whatever evaluation, that is only for our knowledge purpose. Say, if something you are learning, you should be aware of who has done what, right? With that intention only, I explained you all those things. But as per our syllabus, we will be discussing from what is a computer and from there only. Got it, children? Okay, see, you can see the this syllabus. So have you, if you have gone through, this is a book, right? Let me show you. So in the syllabus, our syllabus starts from directly description of a computer system and mobile system. Got it, children? So evaluation is not there, it is removed. Okay, so in the revised syllabus it is removed. So we will directly go to description of a computer system and mobile system. So that is the reason I am showing this PPT. So basic computer organization. What is a computer? Okay, write down what is a computer. A computer is an electronic device under the control of instructions stored in its memory that can accept data. That is input.
Can we write this in a class?
Yeah, remaining all those who are not explaining or not answering anything, please keep yourselves mute.
You sketch.
Abin, okay. So mute, ma. Okay. So now let's proceed to now 73 participants are there. What happened to seven students are absent? Hey, who is that? Yeah, mute, ma'am. Mute yourselves. Okay. So now you see. Have you all noted down what is a computer? You write down. Write down. Computer
Ma'am, you
is.
write on the second page, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. I'll be sharing PPT also with you in Teams again. Okay. So now, have you ever heard about data and information? What do you mean by data? What do you mean by information, children? What do you mean by data? What do you mean by information?
Data has stored information.
Data is stored information. Okay. Okay, fine. So anyone else who wanted to share something about data? Anu is Anu is present. Very good to see Anu. Though she was not well the past few days, so she could join. But other 77 more people, what happened to them? Okay, so anyway, now let us proceed. So what do you mean by data, children? Those who want to answer, you turn on your video. Even I had to see your face, no child, see, because this is our first interaction in the class, I think, after 11th standard is formed. Got it? So turn your video on and answer my question. Got it? So yeah. So what do you mean by data? In your opinion, I am not asking an exact definition. Aman Raj, you want to tell something? Just show me your face, Aman.
No, ma'am, no idea.
Just I have to see because yeah, from any we got an instruction that.
Ma'am, I'll tell.
Yes. Yes.
Facts collected for analysis or studying
Okay.
is called data.
So now mute yourselves. Aman. Next, I'll ask check it. Check it is there. Check it.
Yes, ma'am.
Where I can't see you. Turn on your video. What do you mean by data? Check it. Can you turn on your video?
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am. My face cam is not working.
Okay, okay, yeah, good, good. Check it. So, what do you mean by data? Have you ever heard about these terms, data and information?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. Good, check it. Good to see you. So, tell me
Ma'am,
what.
data is a collection of facts that are used for reference or analysis.
Very good. It's a collection of facts. Very good. So, now,
answer, ma'am.
sorry? Ayush?
Hello.
Ayush, can you tell me what do you mean by information?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Ayush. Ayush, can you tell me what do you mean by information?
Ma'am, information is any set of instructions or a data given to a computer.
Okay, set of instructions or data given to a computer. Very good. So, Abhijit, tell me what do you mean by data? What do you mean by information?
Ma'am, data is a stored collection, ma'am.
Stored collection. Okay. What about information?
Information andre ಏನು? Information.
Okay, children. So don't worry. I'll tell you.
Ma'am, can you send that PPT in group, ma'am?
Information.
I will send it. Definitely, I will send it. Okay. Now let me first tell you what. Okay, now let me tell you what do you mean by data? Data means raw facts and figures. Got it? Raw facts means, for example, if I'm giving number 10, okay, suppose number Ayushian and then 2005, something like that if I've given. So it is not a meaningful sentence. But by looking at that Excel data, see now I have shown you some Excel sheet, isn't it? So in this syllabus 2020 page 2, if you look at it, so you will understand this is the data. But if you frame a sentence from this data, that is on 19th August 2020, in the page number 2, syllabus was noted down and the topic of discussion was syllabus. Okay, so that is an information. Got it, children? Understood? See, these are all raw facts. 1, syllabus, 19/8/20, 2, right? Next to 2, basic computer, 19/8/2023. These are the data items. Got it? So this is the raw fact. But if you arrange, if you organize, or if you process this data, what do we get? We will get information. So data means raw numbers or other findings. It can be a name, it can be a topic name, right? So raw numbers are other findings which by themselves are limited value. Information is data that has been converted into a meaningful and useful context. Have you all understood, children? So data is raw facts and figures. Information is collection of data which is processed in a meaningful context. Got it? So computers are being used extensively in everyday life, in every field, in the form of laptop, desktop, smartphone, gadgets, etc. Isn't it? Now, in that also, why are the computers used? or what are the advantages of computer? What are the disadvantages of a computer? What are the advantages of computer, children? See, we human beings, when we do so much of calculation repeatedly, we are tired after some time, isn't it? But computer, tirelessly, it will give you accurate, correct result. 1,000 times if you execute the same, if you do the same calculation, it will give correct result. But we human beings can make some small error. Got it, children? So what are the advantages of computer? It will give you result at a fast pace. So that is the speed of the computer is one advantage. And accurate means correct, accuracy, that is correct results it will give. And it has, see, our brain, we may forget things, isn't it, children? So sometimes if I ask, tell me, Abhijit, tell me, check its phone number, what he has to search his notebook, or he has to search through WhatsApp or through his mobile, isn't it? Or if I ask, check it, give me Ayush phone number, then how can he able to tell immediately? No. So he has to refer, isn't it? But computer, if you search, it has a huge storage. It will give you so much of data, isn't it? We can store so much of data into the computer memory. Then its versatility. So, and then it's a tirelessness. Then what are the disadvantages of computer? Has its own brain. Computer has its own brain. Someone has to feed data, isn't it? First we have to store, then based on that we will get the result, isn't it? So then, and moreover, nowadays we can see that computer crimes, right? Increased, the increased rate.
Cybercrime.
Yeah, cyber crimes. Yes, as we discussed in 10th standard, no? Yeah, so I have shown you some videos also sometime, isn't it? Next, health risk. Health risk is, see, most of the time if you are sitting in front of computer, what will happen? Your neck pains, your eyesight will increase. Yeah, yes, it is see, continuously if you are sitting without eye strain. So without getting up from the computer, if you are sitting for hours together, day and night, if you are sitting, it is equivalent to smoking, or if it is equivalent to, your body will become more toxic, isn't it? So it will be equivalent to like you are getting a cancer kind of. Got it? So it has a bad impact on environment if not properly disposed of. Whatever the gases, whatever the acids released out of that, harm the environment also. Okay, so these are the things you should be aware of. Tell me what are the advantages of computer? Speed, accuracy, storage, versatility, tirelessness. Disadvantages? Security,
Health risk, bad impact on environment.
very. So now let us proceed. So now, what are the minimum functions any computer, any digital computer performs?
And should we write all these notes as
Yes.
it is?
Yes, it is, you can write. Okay.
Will
Otherwise,
you be sending these
yes.
PowerPoint presentation?
Yes. Okay. So now any computer, what does it do? It will take input from user through console, that is keyboard, mouse we use, no? Or if you are using a scanner, right? So if you are using a biometric reader, right? So that way, it will take the input, stores that input, that data or instructions in the memory, and processes it, cooking, okay? Processes those stored data. After processing, it will give the, and it has the control on when to do, what to do, everything. Okay, so these are the main 5 functions performed by any digital computer. Okay, got it? So it will take input, stores the data and instructions, processes the stored data as per the instructions, generates output, and then see these instructions, when to do, which one to be done. that and all, everything is controlled in the computer. Got it? So these are the 5 functions performed by any computer. You see, so functional components of a computer, if you are asked, what are the components? What are the devices? So all the input devices, input unit, all the output devices, set of output devices, output unit. Then we have central processing unit, and in the central processing unit we have control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and which will be, that is microprocessor unit we have, which will be communicating to memory, that is for storing instructions data, and then for fetching instructions data from the memory and to process. Okay, children. So microprocessor unit is nothing.
Ma'am, can you repeat this, ma'am?
See, if you want to define a computer, how do you define? As an electronic device, which takes input from the input unit. Okay, that is through input devices. And then who is taking this? Who is processing it? There should be someone processing. Né? Who is doing that? Central processing unit. Okay, input unit. From the input unit, computer takes the instructions or data. Okay, and whatever the instructions and data received, it will be processed through the processor unit. Okay, microprocessor unit, that is control unit and arithmetic logic unit. So if at all any data to be fetched or instruction to be fetched from the memory, or it has to store for later purpose. See, now my PowerPoint presentation is there. Have I stored it in the computer or not? Whenever I want to open means. So it is stored in the memory. Okay, so it will communicate with the memory. It will fetch whatever data is needed and processes it. After processing, again it will store that instructions in the memory. If you press save, and finally it will give the result through output device. This architecture is given by von Neumann. Got it, children? We discussed in the previous class. So this architecture is von Neumann computer architecture. So here if you look into the central processing unit, we have control unit and arithmetic logic unit, and which will be communicating through memory. Got it, children? Right? So now let's proceed. Input output units. What do you mean by
nowadays APUs and ALUs will be inbuilt in GPUs, no ma'am?
APU and ALUs?
They'll be inbuilt in GPUs.
GPU means?
Graphics processing unit.
Sorry?
Graphics processing unit.
Graphics processing unit. APU means?
Arithmetic processing unit. All the calculations.
Wait, okay, ALU means?
ALU means accelerated.
Arithmetic and logical unit.
Okay, see, so in general, see, I have given you, I have not given the elaborated architecture of a computer. Got it, Chair? See, actually, see, suppose if you are using a calculator also, when you give input, output is displayed or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that output is displayed through that display screen. And internally, what is happening? That arithmetic operations are carried out. So not only arithmetic operations, we have, see, logical operations also been carried out. And now what the computers we are using, advanced, right? We are having now, see, initially black and white monitor, black and white we were having, isn't it? So now we have colors, graphics, everything is added. Okay. So these are all graphical processing is also, see, now images we are storing, videos we are using, right? Everything at the lowest level, it is bits and bytes only, zeros and ones only. But everything is processed through processor only. In that processor, if you want to process any graphical images, everything, right? So we need this colors and all color schemes and all everything. based on the GPU of your computer. Got it, children? Okay.
That's what for separate processing of only CPUs nowadays, ALUs and APUs are put in GPUs only.
Correct. So, but now we are discussing from the scratch level. Okay, ma. So that's the reason. Yeah, basic level. What is the definition of a computer? What are the functional components of a computer when we are discussing? So this is a basic level, scratch level. Okay. So now let us proceed to what are the input devices in the input unit. So what is the purpose of input unit? A device through which data and programs from the outside world enter into the computer system. So suppose if you are using a keyboard or a mouse, if you are clicking something, if you are entering some data, or if you are scanning something, okay? So then we need a device which will give it to the processor. Okay, so that device is keyboard, for example, scanner, for example, biometric reader, for example, right? QR code scanner, isn't it? So these are all the input devices. So the device is collection. Unit means it is collection, right? Collection of such devices is input unit. Then output unit is through which results are visible to the results are given to the outside world. Through the monitor, we will get the result, or through the printer, we will take a printout. That is also a result, isn't it? आपका result आ गया तो printout मिलेगा कि नहीं? Yeah. So such devices which are giving us the result from the computer, those devices are output devices. Such collection is output unit. Okay, children. So now central processing unit, mainly arithmetic logic unit, control unit, memory. Arithmetic logic unit is arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? Your modulus calculations or any other expressions you are performing, right? And logical is true or false. Yes, to do this condition, yeah, if this is true, do this. This is false, do this. Like that if you want to. If both the conditions are true, suppose if you want to drink tea, now you want to have tea, right? So you have only tea decoction, but you don't have milk, or you don't have for burning, boiling, you don't have electric, neither okay, neither electric cooker or neither gas stove. Suppose you don't have any stove, so then your tea will be ready. No, no. Yeah. So there are certain yeah. So there are certain criteria to be satisfied to get the output, isn't it? So based on that, the result will be decided. So if this and this and this, everything is there, then only the result should be true. That time logical and will come into action. See, now you wanted to somehow learn the syllabus, whatever is prescribed for 11th standard. Then how do we do that? Either you attend online class, okay, or you come to me directly, okay. So, or isn't it? So either this or that option is there. Any one of them is satisfied, then the result is true. Got it? So then, see, if you are using inverter in your house, if power goes off, that will be on. That is not. Either if not this one, go for that. Okay. So not operation. Got it, children? So these are all resulting in either true or false. So logical operations, there is a logic involved, decision involved in that. Okay. So that decision is taken care by logic unit. Clear, children? Okay. So now we have small amount of special storage also, right? So those storage are registers. That storage is made up of registers. Okay, so these registers are very much nearer to this arithmetic logic unit. Why, you know, see, suppose in your school only, suppose, for example, you would have seen me in the computer lab, and your class is somewhere in the ground floor, isn't it, children? So most of you from 10th C, 10th D, that corner, na? Okay, your class was there, right? If I have to correct your classworks or homeworks, what do? First, I will go to Harsh. I'll ask Harsh, give me your copy. So otherwise, I'll ask Harsh, go keep that copy in the computer lab or calcal room and come back. Then again, Harsh, you take from Preetham. Then Preetham का notebook लेके फिर जाएगा. Next Anurag का notebook लेके फिर जाएगा. So is it a good practice? Do you feel?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So it is not. It looks awkward. It is a very clumsy work, isn't it? You feel like, yeah, why madam is making us to do Tughlaq kind of work, isn't it? Delhi to Devanagari to Delhi. So,
Yes, ma'am.
मैडम को कुछ तो हो गया होगा, मैडम को कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया, अब सोचते हैं, है ना? So otherwise, what is the best solution? You tell me. See, suppose 70 people are there, at least 40 books. At least.
Ma'am, you can tell a children to collect all the copies of the class and give it to you.
Yes, Anurag, very good. So Nikhil also wants to say something. Nikhil, give me your suggestion. Nikhil Singh, Parashar. Nikhil. Okay, Nikhil, are you there? Nikhil Singh, Parashar. Yeah, 3 Nikhils are there, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Esma, you wanted to give me one suggestion?
Same as Anurag, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now let me tell you. See, so same as Anurag, only all of you are suggesting me, right? If the load is too much, suppose if we have 500 books or if we have 1000 books, then I'll ask only Harsh to carry. Does it look good?
No, ma'am. You take the help of some 5 to 10 children, ma'am.
Correct, very good. So when it comes to distribution of study material, something, I should take so many people, isn't it? The same manner, even why if I take the entire, suppose, okay, so now if I'm collecting in books from all the classes, our vice principal chamber, we will submit, no? Or on the same day, all classes, madam will collect.
No, ma'am.
Why no? What must be the
You
reason?
won't have time to correct all the books at the same
Ma'am,
time.
the work
Ma'am, they
will
would
be
have
much.
other class, ma'am. They would not be free, ma'am.
Anurag,
There will be a point.
Anurag, you speak, ma?
Ma'am, they would not be free, ma'am. They would have any class.
Okay, 1 point, very good. Lochan, now you tell me.
Ma'am, she won't have time.
Others, please mute. Okay, yeah.
Ma'am, she wouldn't have time to correct all the books at the same time.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am, the workload will be too much to handle.
Very good, Ayush.
You will be frustrated, ma'am. There will be a very big burden on you.
Can't do everything at once.
Aditi, I want Aditi to say something. I want to hear from Aditi. Aditi Kumari.
Ma'am, at the same time, other class can also complete their notes.
Correct. So other class, see, their work also be held up, and madam also cannot do at a time that much. Got it, children? So understood now that the same concept is used in computer also. In the computer also, nearer to arithmetic logic unit, it's not a big storage. It is a very small storage kept nearer to it. Okay. So nearer to the central that processor, we will have some registers. Okay, so some registers to carry address from where to fetch the next instruction, right? From which class next books to be borrowed or to be carried to the vice principal chamber. Got it? So instead of putting everything together at a time, how much our little space is kept in the vice principal madam's room? No, how much our madam also can take that day. that much only will be loaded into that storage for that moment. Okay, and once that work is there, again we will be fetching from the main memory. So this memory, the third point memory is there, no, that memory is, that is little away from, arrow marks are shown in the previous diagram. See, this memory unit we are talking about, this is a big storage. From this, every time, like how I told na, हर्ष को एक notebook हम नहीं भेजते हैं ना, so एक notebook लाके फिर कैलकुलेटर रूम में रखो, तो कंप्यूटर लैब में रखो करके नहीं बोलूंगी, क्यों? Every notebook if I go and fetch it, in fetching itself lot of time wasted, energy wasted, isn't it? So for that reason, so
Yes, ma'am.
little, so it is not one instruction, it is some few instructions I carry, and how much ever I can accommodate and how much ever I can process for that time, and then the next address from where I have to fetch, that will be stored in the registers, in the address register. Data register में data store होगा, address register में address store होगा. Got it? So that way there are special registers which will be accessed faster than main memory. Main memory is mainly from which class I am fetching, like from the which memory location I am fetching. Got it, children? समझ में आ गया ना? So these special storage units, registers, which are that can be accessed faster than main memory. Then we have control unit. Control unit क्या करता है? अभी ये खत्म होने लगे ना, so ये processing खत्म होने लगे. So to keep the processor busy, yeah, next instruction to be fetched. So next one instruction to be sent to fetch the next address, next books. Got it? So control unit is organizing. अगर आपका memory storage full हो गया, ठीक है? So fill हो गया तो क्या बोलना है? अरे आपका memory fill होने लगी है, alarm देना है ना, एक warning signal. ठीक है? So these and all control unit will be taking care of, and after that, yeah, now store it in the memory. In the memory, which location already existing में overwrite नहीं करना. So दूसरे जगह पे automatically you have to decide on, right? So control unit will be redirecting all the jobs. Right, now print command दे दिया ना, so printer को ये job दे दो. Like that, it will be distributing, administering everything. Control unit. It organizes the computer to work computer as a single unit and generates control signals for various devices regarding read, write or execute operation. अगर आपका USB आपने डाला है, so immediately it should prompt, right? So those things and all are carried out by control unit. And memory. What do you mean by memory? Memory is collection of cells. This is not cells means it's not a battery, okay? Every cell is either 0 or 1. Okay, it's equivalent to one switch. Switch is having on off, no? So once it is on, it is 1. Once it is off, it is 0. Each with a unique physical address. Most computers are byte addressable. Byte addressable means see, आपका notebook में एक page है ना? So right, so this page has some limited storage. Once you complete writing in this page, what do? You will turn on to the next page. Got it, children? So this is the next page. Then the next page. You will write like that, isn't it? In a classwork. So that means this the entire 100 pages notebook is your, or 200 pages notebook is your entire storage. But do you write from the page, cover page? Do you write from the cover page itself?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Cover page में only आपका title लिखते हैं, ठीक है? So that cover page is like your drive name or something like that. Then this memory is there. Memory is organized, and this memory, see, first page is something. If you open your textbook or any book, some pages are already pre-filled that we are not going to change. Got it, children? So that is if you have purchased a rule book, वो rule को हम मिटाते नहीं, ठीक है? Direct उसी rule को follow करते ही वही rule के हिसाब से हम notebook लिखते हैं, है ना? So that is what pre-filled is there, no? That which cannot be changed. That is like a readable memory. We can only read. We cannot write into that. We cannot change it. Okay, and then later on we will be writing our notes, which if we are writing with pencil and all, we can erase and we can change it, isn't it? So that is, okay, the random access memory. Got it, children? So here, read only, ROM, random access, RAM. Okay.
Quiz. Today no quiz, ma'am.
Let us see if time permits. I will take now. It is
10 minutes left.
Okay. So now I'll stop here. I'll just share this PPT here. Only this quickly you go through. Yes, ma'am. So I will upload here itself that PPT.
To write all these notes.
How much? Only 4 slides, na? 1. You can see, no, child? Basic computer organization. 1 second. See, 5 slides only I discussed today. 6, 7 slides. First slide is title slide. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These 6 slides you have to write notes. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you send this on the WhatsApp, ma'am.
WhatsApp also you want? Right? WhatsApp means other class I may not be part of WhatsApp. No.
Okay, ma'am. So send in Microsoft only.
Yeah. So now I have I'm uploading basic computer organization. So in 11th C I have uploaded 11th B computer science files. I'm uploading. Okay, ma'am. So hope you. Yeah, up to 7.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, up to 7 slide we discussed. Okay, now only 3 minutes 5.
Okay, ma'am.
8 minutes left.
8 minutes left. Yes. So 2 minutes you quickly go through. Then I will start the Kahoot.
Ma'am, this Microsoft Teams has lots of glitch, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. It
But-
always restarts.
Ma'am, when you're playing Kahoot, ma'am, if you close all the other tabs from Chrome, it'll save memory and it'll be faster on Microsoft Teams.
Correct. So if you are using on the computer based on the device, actually it has so many features, no dear. So it will take more memory, no? Okay.
No, ma'am. I don't open anything. I only open Microsoft Teams, but still it just stuck, ma'am. It lags a lot.
Google Meet is better.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
PC problem, bro.
See, 1 second, children. Google Meet.
And Google Meet is also free, ma'am. There's no need of subscription and all, ma'am.
Yeah, correct. But you know, so under one umbrella, everything is not there in Google Meet. See here, so much is there. Assignments also we can have everything. Like you know, see proper transmission of see even if principal sir or vice
And what's
principal
the pin, ma'am?
And then for the notes, we can use Google Classroom.
Okay.